People ask me all the time how I got started in real estate, and everyone kind of knows where I'm at now with real estate, and that's great. But the more important question is, how did I go from property 1 to property 2? Property 1 was scary as hell, like it's going to be for all of you, because you got to put everything on the line, and you really have no certainty as to what's going to happen. In fact, you have no damn clue what's going to happen, but you got to give it a shot. When I bought that first property 25 years ago, I went and I managed it, and I leased it and did everything myself. And within 6 months, I was able to refinance the property, pull my money back out of the property, and it was already cash flow positive. So for that, I became quasi-addicted with real estate because I saw this method would work. So I went and bought another one. And you'll find that the most likely source of buying your second property is going to be in the same neighborhood and the same asset class as the first one, especially if it works, you're going to like it. So then I took that money and bought a second property. I could have cashed out of that property, and I see a lot of people making videos, you cash out and go buy a boat. I didn't buy a boat, I didn't buy a car, I didn't buy a Rolex. I bought my second property. What I could assure you is property 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 20 gets easier and easier because now you kind of know what to expect. Property 1 and 2 are the toughest. But when you get property number 1, you're going to be scared to death. When you get property number 2, you got to use the proceeds from 1 to get to 2. And then it'll get easier as you go. Get into the game, get started, buy your first property. Trust me, you'll be glad you did.